Join us as we sail out the Golden Gate Bridge down the coast to Half Moon Bay. This video is also promoting Summer Sailstice on June 19th, inspiring you to get out sailing.
We are headed out the gate, just past under the Golden Gate Bridge. There it is behind me. And we are headed for a couple days of ocean adventures down to Half Moon Bay. It's only about 5 or 6 hours, but we're sailing the whole way, so it'll be nice and relaxing, hopefully. But it is beautiful out here. We've actually got some wind this morning. Yeah, it should be a pretty awesome sail. Burgies are going up. Oh, they're a little smushed. They got a little crinkled. That's what the wind is for. Got our Sailstice burgie up. Got our new To the Horizon burgie and a couple old favorites. Yeah. Got a perfect like 8 to 12 knots. Not every day you get to sail downwind out the gate and a reach out the shipping channel. Woo! All right, we are almost to Half Moon Bay. We've had a exciting sail down the coast, kind of a little bit of everything. We had downwind sailing heading out the gate, which is not very normal. Got to actually sail out the gate. 16 to 20 knots at the beginning, and then it went down to like 8 knots. And then we were pretty much floating for a minute. And then it went back up to like 16 to 18, and then it went down to like 5. And now we are motor sailing because we are almost to Half Moon Bay. We can see Mavericks in the distance. It's been beautiful out here. It's warm. We're in bare feet and I'm in a tank top. What? So it's been good. And we are almost there. You can see the big dome there. That's a good telltale sign that you are close to Half Moon Bay. And we are about to turn to port right around that green mark, and we'll be heading on into the breakwall. There were only a handful of boats anchored, most of which looked like permanent residents, so we had tons of space to choose the best spot. Once we were settled in, we hopped on the paddleboards to catch a view from the beach. Then we swung by the boat to pick up Fathom for a quick ride on the paddleboard. Go for it, kitty! Use that rope! Good girl! Kinda. Close enough. Good girl, Fathom Cat! We had a stunning sunset and a delicious dinner before calling it a night. The next morning, we went out for some dinghy fishing fun. We're a fishing boat right now. We're also a catching boat! Nice! Rockfish for lunch! Woo! Number 2. We only eat seafood when we know it was caught sustainably, so this was quite a treat. That is all the rockfish all filleted. We're gonna put it in the fridge for a little bit, take a break, and then we will skin it and turn it into some sweet ceviche for tonight.
The next morning, the whole family loaded up in the dinghy and we went to explore the sights on land.
Hearts, they were twisted and tangled in a telephone line. Way past bedtime, up at night and weary-eyed, unwound and I'm sound asleep. Butterflies wake with me in the morning. Oh, how long has it been since they've been around? The smell of roasting coffee in the air makes me wish I was there. Oh, where will you go, my dear, in the night? 'Cause I can't sleep a second in the light.
What do you think about the beach? You like it?
With full bellies and sandy paws, it was time to head back to the boat.
Silence, twisting sentences, the life's getting lost amongst the telephone lines.
My parents had decided to drive down from Sonoma County to meet up with us for the day.
Still.
This is our vehicle.
And then, Dad, if you get on the boat, then we can pass you stuff or whatever, so. Good job.
All that yoga's paying off.
Okay, hold that. You're not taking a movie.
We didn't film our time with family, so instead, here's some drone footage we captured at Anchorage.
Can't sleep a second in the light. Oh,
Got it. Good job. It's always nerve-wracking, but that was good. It's been a great little mini vacation. Besides the fact that we had an infestation of flies just hanging out on the boat, we are excited to head back up the coast. We're gonna try and sail, so we'll be heading kind of offshore first and then trying to make a good angle to be able to make it all the way back to the bay. So we have officially picked up anchor at Half Moon Bay and we're heading towards the break wall. It's kind of a weird direction of the wind right now. It's kind of coming from land, so we'll see how long that lasts. If it does last, we'll be able to sail most of the way, but I'm sure it'll switch around and end up right on our nose like it normally does. We're super grateful to have taken this little mini vacation. A couple of days off really does a person some good, and we're excited to come back here soon. It's been an amazing little adventure.
turns out, the winds remained in our favor and we were able to sail the whole way back to the bay.
There's like so many cormorants flying. What do you have to say about our Half Moon Bay trip?
Easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy.
Lemon squeezy. No, we got down there on the perfect day. It was probably the sunniest day of the year so far. And then easy rock fishing right outside the channel, which is sweet. And nice and calm Anchorage. Wasn't rolly or, yeah, very nice. And then sweet sail back.
Any words about our Half Moon Bay trip, Kitty? What do you think? She's like, I think you need to get that camera out of my face.
We had a mellow wing-on-wing sail as we headed back, feeling extra grateful for this coastal getaway and for the amazing perks of the sailing lifestyle. As Summer Sailstice ambassadors, we encourage you to check out their website for more information.
Well, we hope this video inspired you to get out and go sailing, especially for Summer Sailstice on June 19th. Check out their website in the description below and give them an update on your plans for that day. It's a day to go sailing and celebrate the solstice on the water.
A huge thanks to our amazing patrons, and thanks to viewers like you.